So, pini dak difu town hall along ni to press meet ki pat dupon along nangai si tong don media korte labete itu kacing hondo briefing kita tharchi alang li bangke 6 miss karbiang lo winner lo lapente utulang Mrs. Rupali Timumpi 2020 ani kan alang li ke so duke miss lo winner ke bang lo lapente pinning le thot 2022 alang li Mrs. Assam along winner ke bang bang phila Miss Rupali Timumpi lapente tulang Sumi Pherangke pinning 2021 tuning 2021 alang li winner lo Mrs. category Mrs. Karbiang lo lapente alang li pinning Mrs. Assam along second runner up antulo lapente aku dutulang tum secretary lapente kids ahin bangke Miss Clarzir Teronpi labangke 2021 winner lo lapente aku pinning letter da Miss Kids Assam long second runner up an lo lapente dutulang apa bangke Rohon Teron alang li bangke 2021 Mr. second Mr. Karbiang long winner asi pini nilitum press meet ke phala ma la hello nang litum phan mate Karbiang long atum phan ke pachini kang tung la hello je kedam tang 2021 pen nilitum jitu kazirong hanpi memorial talent han society hin pen ani kan wang ason le thot 2015 to 2021 an nilitum a program 1 pen 2021 an 1 lo la pente alang litum high pen jitu title high pen nilitum rata thing no pachini pakalong nirang lasi pini bangke alang litum phan rata phan mohor paklang lo je alang litum hen lo 2021 winner lo mati title ke wan tum lo lapente alang litum phan litum kazirong hangpi memorial talent society hin pen jitu state level Karbiang long district pen state level an alang litum kaptoi don mati alang litum phan ang present pidun Karbiang long phan nang present pidun alang litum mate nilitum phan nong me ke wan pi labangke pini nang litum phan pachini kang tung kecheng si Mrs. Rupali Timumpi alang li hello labangke Mrs. Assam 2022 along winner ke wan abang kilo lapiante dotulang aku Mrs. Assam tata alang li ke Sumi Pherangke 2021 labangke alang li ke Mrs. Karbiang long winner lo alang li aku Mrs. Assam lo second runner aban aku lapiante dotulang kids pen ilitum Clarzir Pherangke alang li ke 2021 along kids Karbiang long winner ban bang kilo lasi alang li ta represent lo Assam long alang li ta second runner saban lasi alang li tum han li tum kachuru gangtung ke lalo kajiro hanpi memorial talent society aphan ang present pin la pen Karbiang long aphan ang present pi pot li tum ahin pen suri kurang tu kajiro la pen te adon tu dotulang je non kiban ji 2022 November achi close nil tum padu pontuko adet bang gel tum than thilang sita nil tum chingbai bo pining bang ke 2022 ahin bang ke aningkan farman bang ke aku ladak si padu pon po lapen 2023 bang ke Mrs. Assam punon Miss Assam punon alang litum Karbiang long nangi di pasi tum chingbai sia nong milo lapen te good news lo lasi la bang ke aku pravjin ban pachini tu po lasi kadu kavi lahai ni tum platform ki pipen all Karbiang long along all entire Karbiang long li tum isi platform pilo laso platform lo mangke kadu eta manghunang ne je lada program jutkok pen ba Karbiang long pen cepate jutkok pen il tum dak masih alang litum pan atwar abe deji phan kali atwar paduji lasi ali tum theklong lo kicheng si bang ke litum pan Karbiang long pen atwar ke ban kedam ke pon bang ke 2018 pen 2018 to 19 ala kaya tum kaddo na chini lo sangpi nirmola terong pi lo alang li 2018 pen alang li cepat du pen Karbiang long phan la sona platform pen kaddo ke beta do je sports hindo to hopunani amuk do nane kichali hindo kunani do IPSC to ho IPSC do pick lasi la sona hin pen ta iri tum long ke ban cheng lo nirmola terong pi after that ni tum long wan bom benon wan bom lo nong mi wan bom lo lasi nil tuma kajiro hangpi memorial talent society atai abang ke state level dolo kai ke ta ala tumta pining wang po nang wang si ni tuman officially na announce po ada jitu Miss Assam tumpen organizer Spark team MD sir Riju Miller pudo ada MD lo Spark long alang itu pining bang si itu man officially nang announce po je Karbi Anglong district pen ke Assam long ke kai kita direct entry long po la pen direct alang litum pan thang office and epin pen only ke NG do hala so en chot po situ registration fee hai ke en il sita hala so du en pen alang tum high lo pulut alang tum pan aku state level tum bang ke aku attack long pon po national level po najat pon pola tum si li tum kam bang ke state level long pon don po dan po la si li tum bang ke lalo pini press meet ke phala bang ke kajirong hang pi memorial KRMTH Society ke dam tang 2021 Miss Karbi Anglong Mr Karbi Anglong kids la pen message atum pan itu press meet long nila ate penang situation bang mili leader joinin tum ta press meet mane dolong ni rek la si ili tum malong pining ba pini rang si tong pot kado ke bendang di choro park pik lo la sinali tum mal an sina pachin pon po aku li tum secretary da alam subang ni je po.
First of all, I would like to thank all the media house who present here and given their valuable time. So my name is Mirlongbe. I am the secretary of KRMTH Memorial KRMTH Society. So nothing to say. I will not make my speech lengthy, just as before me our president have spoke all the details. So what I would like to share to all of you is that recently we have witnessed Mr. and Miss Assam in Guwahati. So by seeing their program, it is huge and very grand. So we have planned that from this year we would like to make our event, the beauty pageant event, grand and huge. So to make it huge, and so we need some capitals. So every year we have been facing lots of problems in capitals, and so I would like to request the authority of KAK Council to have some fund to release us for this event. Thank you.
Kardom, hello, Nilimen Sangpiro Padatumpi. Yeah, we are so happy and excited that to have the media house here. I represented Mrs. Assam 2022 this year, and finally I won the title. And I'm so grateful to the people of Karbi Anglong and the entire my family who supported me. Yes, nilitum ning charong piglo ning sam piglo then nitum phan la pusona platform nang kipon thagapo anili modeling career la bangki nitum biji pageant career like start 2020 la so nilitum we doesn't have any idea on beauty pageant, but Kajirong Hangpi Memorial KRMTH Society alang tumilitum phan isi platform na pipon lo to represent ourselves la nilitum chapate lo takpen nilitum personality nilitum phan answer engage lo prang nang ponji phan, and finally nilitum unlo nasun tak taxi angko nilitum state level long stami represent dun lo answer say represent un to bombo pasining thelo, and finally we did it alang nilitum stami we did it together nilitum represent dun lo hoda dakpen nasinong mi one on lo nang nilitum health pen ke rap pen nasi answer say non ke wang jilang ahut stami nang help po pasi ning thelo. Actually we are pressers in the field of modeling. Itu modeling a film long itu make pressers lang, but winning the title of Miss Karbi Anglong 2020 it was a gateway to like in the field of modeling and pageantry, and I wish that hope that the people of Karbi Anglong will have and support me in my like upcoming careers and futures.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Pherangke Amei. First of all, I would like to thank the KRMTH Member Society to giving us this platform, Miss Karbi Anglong. I'm very grateful and thankful for Mr. Gautam Tera. And then after that I represented Karbi Anglong at Miss and Mr. Assam 2022. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Nili man ke sangpi samita terang piklo nili difusi do dihekten da difusi ke thegiding fening arong piklo ni Mrs. Karbi Anglong 2021 winner ke long an ke ni Mrs. Assam long ta second winner sab ke long don na se ning arong piklo an so se jonitum han platform nang kipi Mr. Gautam Tera president Karbi Kajirong Hangpi KRMTH Society president Anpar ke non nilitum Karbi Anglong pen district level pen state level andun lo cepa ondun lo anpar ke nilitum hanon national level long tanang ke ponji panitum han chance nang pilo nitum hala dak non Goa pen Delhi long nitum non September chiklosi nitum hanang ponji pusinang pu ha hala dak mane entry fee la hai bang ke sab kato ka beta free pusinang ke pu registration fee hai ta pinang ni pusinang pu ke subtitle la winner ke long tum hanta ponji ke la winner ke long tum han anta nitum hala dak cepati dun long pusin nang tha so thank you mane Charlie Kangtung mane puna ta Charlie Kangtung ha puta Charlie Kangtung mane non lom ke mane jata theget nang ji pusin ni dum matha hai nalo
So Kardom, Nilimen ke Rohan Teron, non Nili ke Charlie Bomang ke this is second semester. Lapen 2021 dengan Nili Mr. Karbi Anglong anongi hype mala nasi first of all Nili Karbi Cultural Memorial Han Society pan kasana bapa Choro Kantung lapen nang litung pan da media all media nang lipan nang litung ke bang Choro Kantung nasi lapen laso anong hai dela pini sab so mala motivate chat lam lapen non nilin sana bapa younger generation tum hanta motivate kan tum atima so anta mane pa alanga dream pursue ni latum do mane anutin na dream ke kapre matidi lasi la modeling an chakali kapre pinita do aims goals ta do lasi la hai na lapen non nilim Mr. Karbi Anglong title ke hai bang pen dak la so male Karbi Anglong long mane la so Mr. Karbi Anglong ke si asana wa kithenai a title ma didi la si for using this title I want to motivate my younger generation and to give a beautiful thoughts and how will say inspiration or motivate. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Cardom and myself, Najee Durante, and I'm your second runner-up of Kids Assam, and I'm the winner of Kids Karbi Anglong. And I want to say that thank you for the platform of Kajirong Hangpi of the Han Society, and thank you for the President Sir Gotong Terang. Thanks so much.